This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by the Toadally awesome team. Active 55+ community offering a clubhouse, recreational activities and fitness center. The one-level living area home had the roof replaced 8/21, HVAC 5/22, garage door opener 2021, wood faux blinds 2021, garbage disposal 2020, LVP installed in the foyer, kitchen, laundry room and primary bathroom. Seller also installed maintenance-free deck with decorative railing. Pride of ownership is apparent. For more information, review the details below or contact the Toadally awesome team at 757-486-8800.